Hey everyone, Crash with Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. We have more on the 1968 442 factory 4-speed car. Numbers matching, original owner. What else more could you want? Floor pans in here. As I said in the previous video, when we got the car blasted, there's several blowouts in the floors. They feel solid, but there's obviously weak points everywhere. Also, we knew this was going to happen too, but after blasting, we had some miscellaneous blowouts. Also, lower tail light, which that's to be expected because the other one was already blown out and we already repaired that. So also some miscellaneous ones here in the jams. Back here too. Same thing here. Kind of top of the quarter, trunk jam area, window area. I don't know, let's see, where else are there? Back here too. Same thing as the other side. There's some up in the channel area too that we got to hit and make right. So lots of littles until I get the floor pans, which should be coming early next week. I can cut that out, put new pans there. Floor pans have arrived and they're pretty good. They're definitely going to be big enough to cover all the rust areas. The only thing though is right here, you can see that's a seam right there, top and bottom. And on here, this is where it should be. So I think I want to cut this because we're doing restoration here. That seam is supposed to be there. I don't want anybody putting this on a hoist years from now, looking at it and going, there's no seam. There's no spots. They put floors in this. Got to make it 100% restored. Got the 442 moved over to the body and paint side of the shop. I do have a couple little small areas that I still need to fab and weld in some repair panels, but I needed the space on the other side of the shop for another project, so here we are. The floors are in. They are pretty much done. A little bit of cleanup left to do. These areas here, that's supposed to be a hole with a rolled edge and then a plug put in. So I'm gonna do that because, like I said, this is a restoration. It should look stock everywhere. Also, we finally got the trunk lid that we ordered like 8 months ago. Brand new, got delivered, and it's pretty good. There's a little dinger right here that I can fix, and that edge is tapped a little bit, but it's way quicker for me to fix that than to complain about it, ship it back, and wait another 8 or more months for a trunk lid. It's really, the wait time is really ridiculous. They say they have it when you hit the order button. They charge your card for it, and then days later they tell you, oh, it could be 4 months, and then 8 months, and then whatever. We got it now. I'm gonna fix those spots and keep rolling on this. corner, hammered out. Pretty nice, super close, close enough for feather fill. And looking at the other corner, you can see that in the light, but there's a little tweak to this corner too. Might as well get that quick. Both corners hammered out, pretty nice. Definitely nice enough that it will disappear with some feather fill. Need to put the lid on and check to see how bad the gaps are gonna be. I'm gonna do that after I tune up these blowouts though. There's still quite a few little areas along here need to be touched. We have something marked off 100% on the to-do list for the 442. Floors sealed and lizard skin along with the roof. So this is all done. Nice sound deadener and heat deadener. Let me show you what I used. First I put down this matrix sealer, MP235, and then sound control, lizard skin, and then the ceramic insulation for the heat. I used their sprayer, works great, lays it down nice and thick. 2 coats of this and this and this, 2 coats of everything. Worked really good. Now the underside, I opened these up as they should be from the factory, hammered and dollied this lip down on all of them. That came out real good. Next, I'm going to finish prepping the underside for satin black and the firewall. That's where I'm going to leave this one for the 442 project. It feels good to have something finally marked off the list and moving on to the next thing, right? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content on all the projects that are going on in the shop. Thanks, I appreciate it.